I'm going to create a window selection once more. Right click, select edit form. Selecting all filter. Once more. And moving this one here. Now, this is slightly large. We can rescale this one down. I'm going to move out just to check. Zooming in. And resizing this once more. Making this smaller. Zooming out to check. Hitting OK. Left click here to deselect. Inspecting. So let's pull this one down further just a bit. Creating another window selection. Right click, edit form. Pulling this one. Hitting OK. So looking good. And now I'm going to go to finish form. Going to front view. I'm going to expand our bodies folder and select body 155. I'm going to hit M for move. I'm going to grab this arrow to the right. So if you remember, this is 33. So I'm going to key in 33 divided by 2 plus 0.2 to give this one a good offset. And finally, hitting OK. Next, I'm going to go to create and select mirror. Now for the pattern type, I'm going to select bodies and select body 155, activating mirror plane and selecting this plane. And finally hitting OK. So next, I'm going to go to modify and select split body. Now for the body to split, we're going to select frame. For the splitting tool, I'm going to select body 155, hitting OK. Next, right click once more, repeat body split, selecting frame, activating splitting tool, selecting body 156 and hitting OK. I'm going to hide body 155, body 156, frame, and frame 2. I'm going to hide our canvas and inspect. I'm going to hit F for fillet, selecting this edge and this edge. Now for the radius, I'm going to type in 2 and hit OK.